Alright, let's look at the homework 8.2, problem number 5. Alright, so let's see, we want to find the surface area here. So what we want to do is the surface area S is going to be, right, so it seems like you have 2 pi always. And the region is going from, let's see, from 0 to 4. So lower limit is 0, upper limit is 4. Alright, then what we need to find is the radius, right? Radius. And then we just need to find the arc length. Alright, so since you're rotating about the y-axis, so the radius of rotation is going to be the x value. Since we're trying to do the antiderivative or integral with respect to x, so we can simply use x as the radius. Alright, then the arc length, we need to find the, it's going to be a square root of 1 plus, right, derivative squared, right? So we just have to find a derivative. So dy over dx is equal to, right, derivative 3 is 0. Derivative negative x squared would be negative 2x, right? So we can just square that. So that's going to be 4x squared, all right? Then we just have to do a substitution here. I'm going to call the expression inside the square root u. So we have let u be 1 plus 4x squared. Alright, so we take the derivative of the u with respect to x. Then you will get 8x, right? And then take the reciprocal of both sides. We have dx over du, which is 1 over 8x. Then we can just multiply through by du, so that we have an expression for dx. So du over 8x, right? And the integral is from, so x is going from 0 to 4. But if you convert it to u, if you plug in 0, so that's going to be 1. And if you plug in 4, so what's this? 4 squared is 16 times 4 is 64. So plus 1, so 65. All right. So let's rewrite that. This is going to be, so 2 pi is already there. Then we have an integral now from 1 to 65. Alright, I'm going to leave x as it is for now. And then you have a square root of u. And a dx is du over 8x. Alright. So we can cancel x on top and x on the bottom. And then maybe I can cancel 2 and 8, so that gives you 4. Alright, so if you clean it up, so you're going to have pi over 4 is in front. And then you have an integral from 1 to 65. And the square root of u is u to the 1/2 power. Then we have a du, right? Then if you take the antiderivative, so pi over 4, right, antiderivative is add 1 to the power, so it's to 3/2. Then divide by 3/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2/3, so I'll just put 2/3 outside. Right, then you're going from 1 to 65, right? So what you get is, let's see, we can at least cancel 2 and 4, so that's 2. So we're going to get pi over 6. All right, if you plug in 65, you're going to get the 65 raised to the 3/2 power minus, if you put 1, it's 1. All right, so we got that. All right, let's type it in. All right, so we got the pi over 6. Then we have 65 raised to the 3/2 power minus 1. All right, let's see if it takes that answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.